Old Man Winter saves Christmas from the Grinch. Yes, it's going to be a white Christmas in Maine because of the storm coming through this afternoon and tonight. A winter storm warning is up for part of Maine, especially the Midcoast, Casco Bay, a little bit of Penobscot Bay, moderate to heavy snow, and then a big storm coming Sunday too. There's a couple storms coming the next several days, especially if you're traveling for the holidays. So if you want to go ahead and fast forward to the end, you can get the latest updates on the storms coming. But first, I want to talk about the storm coming today, tonight, tomorrow morning, and we'll get into that. I also want to do the 10-day forecast here because I always start with the 10-day forecast, especially around the holidays when you're doing your planning. And there will be snow in the mountains late today, all snow, fluffier in the mountains versus the coastline, although the coast is not going to see that cement, really heavy snow. It's going to be heavy, but it's on the moderate side of the fluffy. We'll get to that in a second. I'll break it down, the snow character, the snow kind of type, the moisture type, right? But first in the mountains, it gets cold, going to 6 below zero Thursday, the overnight, and then some more snow arrives Sunday into Monday. That's the bigger storm, especially right now trending for the mountains Sunday and Monday. Now for inland today, snow in the afternoon into the morning through about late morning to midday down east, and then clearing out. Some light snow Thursday, and then again Sunday into Monday. And this certainly could be heavy before we get to New Year's. So, a lot of travel going on, especially Sunday. Really all week with Christmas. People traveling today, tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the coastline is going to get the most from this storm. Midcoast, once again, to down east a little bit, Penobscot Bay. Okay, with several inches, even up to a foot or more. Snowfall rates up to 3 inches an hour. And then it's mostly a snow shower Thursday, not enough to wash away the snow or anything. And then here comes the storm Sunday to Monday. Right now I have it as a snow to wintry mix, Sunday into Monday. So let me show you the maps here so I can break it down in more detail. Here's my snow map I just updated this morning. And it is showing where I've got this bullseye here for Bath, Rockland, Camden, obviously really the entire mid-coast for the most part, a little bit of Casco Bay. I also have 6 to 9 holding. I haven't changed this. So Bridgeton, Auburn, Augusta, back towards Ellsworth and Bar Harbor. Okay, that's a good dump of snow there. And then 3 to 6 here outside of Machias, over including Millinocket, part of the Boundary Plateau, Western Mountains, Carrabassett Valley, Oxford Hills. And then I just have 1 to 3, 3 to 6 range, southern coast. These storms tend to cut off very drastically this Norland trough, which is basically a weakness in the atmosphere. You've got really warm, moist air, and you've got very cold, dense air. There's a violent collision of those two, and that's going to get snowfall rates, and even thunder snow could happen with that violent collision between that cold and dense air versus the warm and moist air that's going to be happening with that inverted trough with the wind here going up in the sky at different kind of levels and speeds. So it's like a mini nor'easter to some extent. So here's the start of the snow in southern Maine after 1 o'clock in Sanford, after 6 o'clock in Belfast, 6 o'clock in Jackman. Here's when the storm ends for southern Maine. And I'll do central and down east in a second, okay, northern Maine. But 7 o'clock in the morning Wednesday, it's over in Portsmouth, Sanford. It's over by 1 o'clock in the afternoon in Rockland. So it's going to hold on for the mid-coast. It's going to hold on for a while. Now, if you're wondering about the snow character, whether it's wet or dry, it's going to be kind of mid. Not heavy wet, but not super fluffy either, especially as you head farther down towards the coastline, okay? But there will be a time there at 1 o'clock in the morning where it'll get on the heavier and wet side for the southern coast, but it'll be fluffy up in Jackman. So it really depends where you are. Now, the intensity, the snowfall rates are going to be somewhere between 1 to 3 inches per hour, and even could get up to 1.5 to 3 inches plus an hour for Auburn, Rockland, around Augusta. That's going to be for the overnight. This is going to be from about 10 o'clock on when the storm really cranks. Okay, now let's do northern Maine, the central highlands, and down east, where it starts after 8 o'clock and after midnight, moving up towards Calais and Eastport, after 1 o'clock in the morning in Presque Isle, where you'll get the least amount of snow from this. And it ends by noon in Bar Harbor. It ends by 7 in the morning up around Caribou and Presque Isle, 7 in the morning in Eastport. Okay, so it really depends where you are. If you are here where the snow is going to be going on, Penobscot Bay, it's going to be hanging on a little bit longer with the storm there. And it's going to be on the fluffier side the farther you go north in the Baxter State Park, Katahdin region, Central Highlands, but a little heavier Bangor, Ellsworth, Bar Harbor, where it'll be a little bit more moisture with the snow there. The ratios are not going to be as high, but still 12 or 15 to 1 will give a good dump of snow. Now, the intensity you'll notice here is once again 1.5 to 3 inches. Okay, you've got around Dover, Foxcroft, around Bar Harbor. Say that's an elevated snowfall intensity. The storm, once again, you've got this violent collision going on between cold and dense air, and then you've got warm and moist air. That collision is going to mean heavy snowfall rates. Now, let's fast forward to Friday. If you're traveling on Friday at 10 o'clock at night, here is snow in New York and New Jersey. Here is ice in Pennsylvania. So I want to bring that to your attention. On Friday, there is another storm coming. That is going to mostly miss Maine, though, on Friday. Now, let's reset. Let me show you Sunday. You have ice again in New Hampshire, in Vermont. This is Sunday at 7 o'clock at night. Snow in western Maine, a bit heavy at times, okay? So this is your Sunday storm for New England especially. And then by 1 o'clock in the morning, Sunday night into Monday, you have your cold air in place, and that is heavy snow and even ice at the coastline, okay? That would be a significant storm, a very big dump of snow for Sunday night into Monday morning. Okay, so that's the next couple of storms. A very busy week here. We are in storm season, full crank, winter solstice happened. We're in it now, okay? But where this rain snow line sets up is going to decide a lot, okay? But right now, at least in the beginning, that is a heavy snow event for most of Maine. And we'll see what happens after that into the day on Monday. So that is the forecast. That is the update there. Thank you for watching NappyCast. Thank you for subscribing, getting the full detail of the forecast. Get out the plows, get out the shovels, get ready. Winter, old man winter is here to stay.